Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to form filling video of DSSB Recruitment 2021. So this is the form for assistant engineer and junior engineer. The notification link you will get in the comment section. So just watch that before applying. Okay. Now in this video I will show you that how you can fill the form perfectly with no error, and the form last date is 9th of February. Okay. So first we will see what are the documents required for the recruitment. First is your SSC mark sheet, okay, or certificate, 10th or diploma, bachelor's mark sheet. Second, Aadhaar card, then birth certificate. If you are from EWS, OBC, SST, then caste certificate, photo, and signature. Okay, these are the things we required. Now, when you click on the link which I am giving you in the description, this page will get open. Okay, now we will start fill the form. So first field is name of applicant. Okay, so enter the name and again re-enter the same name. Check here spelling mistake because lots of candidates did here spelling mistake. That's why. Then enter your birth date. Okay. Now here for roll number of class X, what you need to do? Suppose your roll number is this. Okay, for example. So ignore the letters and only enter the numbers. Okay. Suppose your roll number is like this. So here also you will ignore the letter and only enter the numbers. Okay. Next is year of passing of class 10. So just select this. Okay. And also you can enter. But select you can select also. Again re-enter. Then select your gender properly. And again re-enter. Nationality by default it will be India. If you are other, then if you are clicker. Then your father's name and mother name, it is as per your 10th certificate. Okay, so just spelling and enter here. Enter your mobile number, again confirm it, and enter your email ID, again confirm it, and click on get OTP button. Okay, I already click on get OTP, so I am waiting for OTP now. Two separate OTP for your mobile and for your email ID you will receive. Okay, if you did not receive, then again click on resend OTP, definitely you will get it. Now let's check. Let's click on verify OTP. Okay, both are verified now. Let's go to identity proof details. So if you want to submit your Aadhaar card as a ID proof, then select yes, otherwise no. Okay, definitely then you need to select your ID proof, that is driving license, PAN card, passport and voter ID. These four you can use, otherwise Aadhaar card is there, no problem in that. So just we will use Aadhaar card number. Okay, enter your Aadhaar number, again re-enter it. Okay, then name of Aadhaar number. Now we will generate password. So here enter your password, which should include one uppercase, one lowercase and digits with combination of symbols. Okay, again re-enter that. After entering your password, click on undertaking. Okay, and then you can submit it. Just click on here. Okay, undertaking. Then I have seen the preview. If you want to seal the view, then you can preview it. Okay, like this. And you can just take the printout of this also and click on submit button. Just note down the registration number, okay, which you will get on your mobile number and email ID also. Now click on proceed. Okay, now on the login screen, just enter your date of birth, X roll number, X passing cert number, year and password. Okay, and just click on your security code and click on sign in. Okay, now after login you will get this screen of registration details. So just check your detail if you want to modify, suppose if there is spelling mistake and everything. Okay, just take your mobile number, whether you enter correct digits or not. Then check your mother's name as per your 10th certificate. Check your email ID, check your gender. If you want to change, you can click on modify also. Okay, so they are giving you chance to modify it. You can't modify your ID number, but still other details are you can modify. Now click here on apply for new application. Now here you can see junior engineer civil, junior engineer electrical, assistant engineer civil and assistant engineer electrical and assistant law officer also. Okay, fees already all the details are given. 9th of February is your last date of registration and fees also. Okay, so whatever post you want to apply, just apply. I am clicking on assistant engineer electrical and click on apply now. So this field will get open. Now all the things are here only, okay, which we already selected. Your age limit as per advertisement is 28 years if you select this. So age limit you will get automatically here. Okay, enter here your present address and permanent address. Enter present address and pin code, and if it is same as a permanent address, then just click on this. Okay, so like this. So see, you will get here also. Then subcategory if any. So if you are from either of this ex-serviceman and everything, you can select. Okay, for PWD candidates, you need to click here and then you need to select your category of disability. Okay, then certificate number, issue date, and you need to upload your certificate here. Click on declaration checkbox and click on save and next. Okay, category is remaining, so let's find this category here. Select category. Now on this screen, what we need to do, we need to upload your photograph, okay, then your signature, then your left thumb impression and right thumb impression. All the things we need to upload. All the instructions they already give here, so upload as per this only. Okay, that is width and height. Definitely you can manage your width and height from Paint, right? So just do that and upload here. Choose file and upload. Okay, so after uploading, you will get your photo here, then signature, left thumb and right thumb here. Then click on next button. Now you need to select your degree in electrical engineering. Okay, now here just fill all the details carefully. Percentage up to 2 decimals. Suppose you have 65.69, then you can enter like this. Then state, from which state you want to apply, or you did your graduation, then board or university. Okay, here you can enter also or select also. If you have your university here, just select. If you don't have, then enter here. Then passing year, month and year, and then click on insert button. Okay, so your details are inserted here. Do you want to finally save? So just make sure once more and just click on OK. Okay, data is saved. Just click on next button now. So once again you can check your details here. Okay, and then give declaration. If you want to edit anything again, okay, just once more check all the things. If you want to edit, then you can click here. Otherwise, just click on declaration box and this declaration box, and then submit final application. Okay, so your application will get finally submitted. For girls candidate, there is no fee. That's why they didn't the payment. That is the last step, which is skipped. Okay, but for you, it will after that it will get opened the payment portal. So after that, you can just do your payment. Okay, now just go here in the status and check. Select your post and submit. And you can get here date of submission application. Okay, you will get this. If you want to print your whole application, just click on print application and keep one copy of your print of application form with yourself, right? You can also change your password. Okay, so I hope you got that how to fill DSSB form. If you have any query, any doubt, just first comment and then go for form filling. Okay, don't rush for form filling, because in document verification, if you fail, then definitely all the things will get wasted. All the best.